Hi everyone, my name is Meet and today I am going to review the new Candes top-load semi-automatic washing machine in this video. Candes presents high-spin CTPL series of semi-automatic top-load washing machines with easy-to-use features. It is an aesthetically designed machine which will add to the contrast of your modern home setup. The Candes washing machine has a high capacity and can take a load of up to 9 kgs at a time. Talking of the features of the newly launched Candes washing machine. It comes with a 5-star power rating which is going to be light on your electricity bill. The Candes semi-automatic washing machine has a high spin motor which is going to be heavy on tough stains. With its 35 minutes 3-program wash time, it is very convenient to wash all sort of delicates, woolens, normal and heavy clothes with just a touch of a button. The auto balancer technology allows it to remain stable on heavy loads too. Mice problem is no problem with this beautifully designed Candes washing machine as it comes with an anti-rodent feature. To add to its appealing looks, the wash and the spin lids both are full glass lids. Its premium high gloss finish, robust motor for effective washing and lint filter for better cleaning are amongst other notified features. With only one touch, the water can be channelized from wash to the spin tub. It's very user-friendly. With its shock-proof technology, the Candes semi-automatic top-load washing machine is committed to the safety of its end users. The new dependable Candes washing machine takes your troubles away as it comes with a 2-year comprehensive warranty on the product and a 5-year warranty on the motor. So try the new Candes washing machine today. Hard on stains and soft on clothes.